Hi, I have very important messages for those who are under the Brahmas program. So this video will be trying to tackle your time period until the January end. Okay. So please try to listen to me very carefully if you want to utilize your upcoming days more effectively and efficiently. Okay. So there'll be four messages which I will try to give you through this video. Four different messages. The first very important message is that I want all of you not to deviate. See, this will be the time where you will be taking the transition from your mains preparations toward the prelims ka preparation. Now, what will happen or what will be the circumstances is that you may now, maybe you are compulsory forced to change your sources, or maybe you are changing your book sets, or maybe you are changing your what I can say the resources, or maybe the test series, etc. etc. So I want you to listen to me very carefully that please do not do that mistake. If you're changing your sources or the resources, then you will end up duplicating your efforts. You will end up reading the same things again for the upcoming months, and then you will be trying to upgrade the preparation from the maybe the March or April month onwards. Whatever you have read, even if you don't remember 1% out of it, you have to stick it. You have to stick to the same sources. Do not change them at all. Okay? Especially for those who are under the Brahmas program, you might have got these 11 books, revision sets. What I want from you, even if you have read them at least once, or maybe some of it, or maybe half of it, it's fine. But please, from now onwards, try to consolidate these notes only. What will happen from now onwards, if you have some bulky sources with you, na? If you have some bulky sources with you, then the number of revision cycles will decrease. So what you have to do is, you have to either highlight these or whatever extra information you're getting from whatever source, maybe from the test series, maybe from the standard books, maybe from some random videos, maybe from anything. Whatever extra information you're getting, please add that extra information to these notes itself, so that you have this single book for single subject to revise multiple times. And since these notes are already compressed, you can use the highlighting wala thing to make it more short, and try to revise it multiple times, because ultimately in the final exam you have to recall the right option. That is what you have to do, right? All the options are in front of your eyes and you have to identify which option will be correct. So if you want to identify it well, you need to increase the number of revisions. And if you want to increase the number of revisions, you have to decrease the what I can say the size of the source which you are revising again and again. So please try to consolidate it for a single subject like polity. Do not make 7 sources or 7 different books to revise. You can read them as a source. You can what I can say, you can understand the concept from 7 books or maybe 7 NCRTs or maybe different things, right? But when you're revising, try to ensure that you are revising it from the consolidated source. So again, I'm repeating, first, do not deviate. Whatever is the advertisement you are saying, whatever your friends are doing, whatever you are finding new in the market, please have confidence in your sources and keep on, like, keep going with those sources. Secondly, please try to consolidate them, okay, so that you can revise it again and again. If you're not doing any one of it, you will be wasting your 2 or 3 months. Let me tell you very frankly, आप सेम चीज वापस से करेंगे and you'll end up wasting your 2 and 3 crucial months, I would say. ठीक है? What should be the mindset? That you will be consolidating the resources and the extra time which you are saving, either you will be giving it to scale up your revisions or for the course correction. ठीक है? So this is the message which I want to convey, the very first message, because I know many of you will now be forced, or maybe what I can say, you will be attracted I can say to other things, but please do not go wrong. There's a high time to understand that you have to believe in whatever you have chosen. Okay. Secondly, sir, until January end, I want to give you a plan, a dedicated plan, which you will follow, in the letter and the spirit. And the plan goes like this. Although ideally, I'm assuming that you're waking up at 7 a.m. and you are sleeping at 11 p.m. Beach mein you are having a 8 hours ka decent sleep. But even if you're following a different time schedule, let's say you're waking up at 5 a.m. So you will stretch it or you will take it 2 hours to the left hand side. And let's say you are waking up at 9 a.m. in the morning, so you will shift it to the 2 hours right hand side. But the time which you have, the available time which you have will be spreaded like this only. ठीक है. अब before this, let me focus your attention toward this, that what is my agenda until the January ka end, or what I want you to do by January ka end. First of all, in mains, I want you to practice answer writing. How you have to go about it, what I will be doing in it, I will tell you. Secondly, some enrichment sessions which are pending with you, we will be completing those. And then whatever means ka revision that is pending, I think some portions of history, geography that is pending from my part, will be completing all of it. Okay. In the mains, this is our agenda which we have to complete. Please write it somewhere, है ना, so that you have it on copy, you can see it again and again, and you realize, what are the shortcomings in your entire agenda wala thing. So please kahin likh lena. Second, in prelims, I want you to complete all the PYQs of at least 11 years. Secondly, I want you to go through your prelims static notes, the same notes, at least once. Even if you have read them once, if you have been giving a Brahmastra test, I assume you might have read them once. Because almost you might have completed the part length test. I think we have done it in almost all of the batches, or else we will do it by mid-January in all the batches, at least part length. And we are done with the part length test of prelims. I assume you should have read this, or you should have read these books at least once. So one more time, I want you to complete this before January ka end. So this is the prelims ka agenda. In optional, I want you to give 3 hours daily. I will come to it. In CSET, at least 50%, and it would be better if you are completing 100% of the CSET in January itself. Okay? Why? Because see, from February onwards, now the pressure will be very huge on your head to go into the prelims ka direction. I know that CSET is a part of prelims, but let me tell you one fact that handling both GS and CSET and doing multiple revisions may take a toll on your CSET का preparation. Why? क्योंकि फरवरी के बाद the pressure on your head will be very high, and if you want to learn anything new, conceptual part in the CSET, it will be heavy on your head, है ना, दिक्कत होगी बहुत ज़्यादा. Conceptually you want to be able to do the CSET, and if you are not doing it conceptually, you will face the difficulty in the aptitude wala front, 100%. I have time and now told this in my various videos, what is the importance of the aptitude and how CSET, UPSC CSET is different from the other SSC and banking examination. Syllabus is same, but the demand is entirely different. Okay, so these are the my targets in mains, prelims, optional, CSET. Now let me come back to the daily plan. First, I will now tell the daily plan. Then again, I will come back to the target. Listen to me now very carefully. From 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. This is the one time slot. I will come to this. 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. This is a one time slot. I will come to this. From 3 to 5, if you are planning to do CSET, please start this as early as possible and try to wind off at least 50%. And maybe the toughest portions of CSET, whatever is tough for you, maybe RC stuff, maybe LR stuff, maybe Quant stuff, maybe some topics of all of them are tough for you. Complete the toughest portions by January ka end. So 3 to 5 will go to CSET if you are not ready with the CSET yet. If you haven't started it yet, if you have a fear of CSET, if you want to do CSET, 3 to 5 is something which you will be allocating to the CSET wala thing. Okay? 5 to 7 now. This is another time slot. Sir and ma'am, I want you to now give this time to the mains answer writing. What we will be doing is, first of all, I will be taking your live answer writing sessions, and I will try that those sessions are within this time frame only. Now, if I'm not having these sessions, or if I'm not having sessions on some days, what you will do is, on your own, you will devote this time for the mains answer writing. So in both the cases, either I'm taking session or either I'm not taking sessions. In both the cases, this 5 to 7 ka slot will now be devoted to the answer writing, mains answer writing. Now, in mains answer writing also, what you will do is, you will be writing PYQs. At least 8 years ka. In PYQs also, sir, what you will be doing is you will be attempting 10 questions. Now you'll say, sir, attempting 10 questions is not possible for us in 2 hours. Listen to me very carefully. I don't want you to write the 10 questions completely. What you have to try at least, out of these 10 questions, 2 questions you need to write complete. For example, you took polity. In the initial 10 questions, 2 questions, whether you're comfortable or not comfortable, at least 2 questions you have to write completely by your hand. And since we are done with the revision classes of GS2, GS3, majorly of GS4 also, and GS1 is ongoing. Okay? So whatever we have done, you will take up the PYQs of those things and you will start writing the answers. 2 questions you will write complete, and 8 questions ka you will do the scribbling. Now what is scribbling? Scribbling is like you are doing the brainstorming. First of all, you are identifying the parts of the question, and if you have done my mark sessions, you know how to identify the parts of the question. Secondly, the structures through which you will recall the points for the different parts, and then some maybe keywords for all the parts, some 3 or 4 keywords, or what I can say, some few points for all the parts in brief, in one word, two word, one word, two word, one word, two word. That is what I call as scribbling or the brainstorming. Okay? In introduction, don't write it complete. Just for example, if you want to write the database introduction, just mention the data there. In conclusion, if you want to use some keyword, just mention the keyword there. So maximum in half page, or maybe in 1 page, you can scribble a question. Then please read the model answers. Now फिर से बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. From where you have to do these PYQs, I will give you the workbooks. You will have the question space, question space, question space. I will drop all the PYQ workbooks topic wise in your respective channels. After question, you will have the space, maybe 2 pages or 3 pages depending on the marking of the questions. Okay? So those space based workbooks I will drop in your channels. With whatever subject you want to start, you start. But you have to write 2 questions complete, and 8 you have to do the scribbling. Then you have to read the model answers for all the 10 questions. Let me tell you, if you're writing 2 questions, it may take some time. Maybe maximum, I'm assuming maximum you're devoting 1 hour. Okay? If you have not done any answer writing, you may struggle. You have devoted 1 hour to these 2 questions. Then for next 1 hour, scribbling of 8 questions can be done. Scribbling do not take much time. It's just like brainstorming. You will take hardly 2, 4 or 5 minutes maximum every question. Okay? Even if you're taking 5 minutes, it will be done in 40 minutes. So 1 hour 40 minutes maximum on the extreme cases I am dealing with. Then in next 20 minutes read the model answers. Now again comes the question, from where you have to read the model answers. For this, there is a means PYQ book by Sunya IAS. Okay? So you can visit our website. I know many of you have already taken that particular book, but if you don't have it, you can order it, or else just Google out the questions. Okay? You will get some sort of model answers on some websites. So you can follow that also. But if you want to do it nicely, I would recommend you to follow Sunya IAS. Model answers are very decent. Okay? Now, what I've done, I've told you 3 to 5. This we have discussed. What you will do? CSET. Okay? 5 to 7 we have discussed. What you will do? Means answer writing. Either I will call you in the sessions, you will do it with me, or else you will do it in your own. There will be 2 scenarios. या तो मैं सेशंस अनाउंस करूंगा, आप आएंगे, आप मेरे साथ लिखेंगे, या फिर अगर मेरा सेशन नहीं है किसी दिन तो मैं होमवर्क दूंगा, आप अपना घर पे लिखेंगे. ठीक है? 2 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट, 8 की स्क्रिबलिंग. दैट इज व्हाट वी विल फॉलो इन द क्लासेस आल्सो. Whatever I will be doing live answer writing with you. Then you have to follow the model answer. You have to read the model answers for the 10 questions. Now 7 to 8, I'm assuming you have to take, or you need, or you should take some break. Post that, sir. Post that 8 to 11. Very, very important. I've seen many of you have stopped giving that attention to the optional, or maybe शायद पहले से भी नहीं दे रहे हो आप लोग. But let me tell you the importance of optional, sir. prelims में if you are going through like if you are writing the mains, then I mean you should be ready with the mains. A very beautiful chance you're getting to get into the rank list also, because we have done everything right under the Brahmas program. We have done the essays, we have done the mains revisions, we have the content, I'm doing the enrichment with you, we will be doing the live answer writing. So we have done it sufficiently well in terms of GS. You have to now handle the optional. Okay, don't take pressure, any sort of pressure. Whatever best you can do, please do that best in these 3 hours. And for me the best is nothing but these, that first of all you should be completing the syllabus. First of all you should be completing the syllabus. So if you haven't completed the syllabus at least once, so 2 hours or maybe your entire 3 hours, please give it to the syllabus completion. Now if you have done the syllabus at least once, 2 hours you can give on the revision wala part, and 1 hour you can give on the, what I can say, PYQs practice. Write at least 2 or 3 or 4 PYQs from the optional wala front. ठीक है, 2 hours के लिए revise a unit or maybe some pages, and from those particular section write the PYQs. That is what you can follow on daily basis in the 3 hours का slot, last 3 hours का slot. ठीक है, so we have talked upon this, we have talked upon this, we have talked upon optional also, and please don't take this lightly. थोड़े इसमें आपको एफर्ट डालने पड़ेंगे. I can help wherever I can, but there are many optionals where I cannot give my inputs that well, so I'm helpless, or I can say I'm helpless to help you out in that front. Okay, so please figure it out, and you need to do it well. Now let me come to this slot, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. See, now there will be few varieties of students. For example, variety 1, those who are good at means they have done the revision classes with me. याद नहीं है, totally fine, करोगे भी तो भूल जाओगे प्रीलिम्स तक. ठीक है, you have done the structures with me, you have done the enrichment with me, you have the ideology clear, you have done the revision sessions with me, everything you have done so far with me. Then please give this time, and 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. And if you don't want to do the CSET, if you have already done the CSET, of if you don't have the requirement, आपका engineering background है, या if you have very comfortable in CSET, then the entire time from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. it should be either given to prelims if your mains is ready, or else to mains if your prelims is ready, or else alternative to both of them. ठीक है, if this is your first attempt, I would recommend you to, now if you have first attempt but you have done sufficiently mains with me, give this time to the prelims now, because competition will be very high once you enter to the February ka month. ठीक है, so you should be preparing yourself to compete with all those people who have given many attempts, or who have even qualified the exam. So that is something. So this time slot 7 to 5, if you have done this with CSET, or if you don't want CSET, on or 7 to 3 if from 3 to 5 you are doing CSET, depends upon your preparation, that whether you should do prelims, mains, or both of them. So on one day, let's say you may do prelims, on second day you can do mains, then prelims, then mains. You can do it that way also. Or maybe, for example, you may be a part of PRP, then from 7 a.m. till 5 p.m. study for your PRP ka test. 7 to 8 revise, 8 to 9 sit for the test. Then you will maybe free if you're not attending the discussion. If you're attending the discussion, post discussion you will be free. Then you have 5 to 6 hours to revise your next day ka test. So if you're doing PRP, you can plan it that way also. But if you're giving your Brahmas test so far, or if you're indulged in Brahmas test also, then you can plan it that way. So whatever are your upcoming targets, maybe in prelims, maybe in mains, use this time to complete or achieve those particular milestones. ठीक है, so let me brief. 5 to 7 will be given to mains. Answer writing, especially answer writing. Now there may be some scenarios, or there may be some days in which you are not feeling to do the answer writing. What I will do, whatever is the left portion in history, especially from the mains perspective, modern history, and I can say the art and culture, I will give the recorded videos of those. If you're getting bored, yeah, if you're not having that, what I can say, the nag, or if you're not having feeling like to write the answers, use the time to complete your mains ka classes. But please do not waste this slot. है ना? So until January end, we will be completing the mains revisions, either I will be taking the enrichment or you have to do the answer writing from 5 to 7. ठीक है, 7 to 3 p.m. although enrichment will be a full day long session, मैं बाद में announce करूंगा. 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. what you have to do is either prelims or mains, either prelims or mains if you are ready with prelims. ठीक है, in prelims I want you to complete PYQs and prelims का static notes. I am coming to these PYQs. Hold for a minute now. 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. I want you to give this time to the optional 3 hours. So if you have done the completed the optional, 2 hours for the revision, 1 hour for the PYQs. But please do the answer writing. है ना? If you have done both these revision and what I can say the completion, please write 3 hours में whatever answers you want to write. Okay. Then CSET at least 50 to 100% you have to complete. If you haven't started it yet, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. you have to do the CSET. Now, the last announcement of the day, that I want you to move to the prelims phase, right? But we need to balance it with the mains until January ka end. Hence, this video was, necessary. What we will be doing is, listen to me very carefully, that I don't want you to solve the PYQs by your own. Save the time, come to the sessions, or on whatever dates your sessions are for the PYQs, prelims PYQs. You have to attempt those PYQs on that day. But for example, on 27 December, you have the session of prelims PYQ for polity. There will be a schedule which I will be dropping in your Telegram channel. So as per the schedule, sessions will be conducted. Now, on 27 December, you have the PYQ session of polity, but what should be your role? If you are doing PRP, revision ho jayega apne aap, because the sessions are aligned with the PRP. These PYQ sessions are aligned, mostly aligned with the PRP program. So if you are doing PRP, you already revised it. But if you're not doing PRP, what you have to do is you have to revise the entire polity before 27th December. Let's say the next session is on 10th January of modern history. So by 10th January, you have to revise your modern history at least once so that you can attend the PYQs ka session. That is something what you will follow. Before every PYQ session, you have to complete the revisions of that particular subject. Static books, I have written here, right? This you have to revise at least once before every PYQ session. A complete schedule will be there. I think mostly we will be completing all major PYQ sessions by February ka end. And these will be conducted with a time gap, maybe after 7 days or 10 days post first session. So let's say if, first session is on 27 December, second session will be around 10th January, so that you have the sufficient time to complete the next subject ka revision. Okay? Now, अब let me come to these sessions, these PRP का sessions. If you're these PYQ session, prelims PYQ sessions will be offline for those students who are part of PRP also. As I've already conveyed that, I recommend all of you to join PRP, please. Whatever batch you want to join, but not the last batch. Okay? So by Jan, please join, or maybe preferably I preferred mostly, the December ka batch. But nevertheless, if you're planning to join any of the batch, or if you have joined any batch of the PRP, you can attend these sessions offline. Okay? But let's say you're not planning to join PRP, don't worry. For you, the PDF will be posted in your Telegram channel. Okay? And you'll be attending it live. I mean, see, मैं offline भी conduct करा सकता था, but all of you who are especially from the Delhi know the constraint of the classroom size. Okay? So this is the middle path only, since this PYQ sessions are explicitly the part of PRP program. I think you may know this fact. So we will give those students the offline seat and rest of the students the online live. Okay? So we'll give the PDF, we'll give the live session ka link for the PYQs. So that was it from my side. Let me now tell you what I told you so far. Just allow me a minute. So please do not deviate, do not change your sources. If you want to follow anything from now, have one thing in mind: either consult your mentor or maybe me, or please avoid duplication of efforts. Okay? Secondly, consolidate your sources. Do not worry, I planned it very well until your prelims. Just hold the hand, have trust and keep going. ठीक है, देख कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Then day plan until January end. This is valid until January end. So I am assuming you're waking up at 7 a.m. So 7 to 3, do whatever you want to do, maybe prelims or maybe mains or maybe you are reading for some test. So that is what you will be using for this time. 3 to 5, give it to CSET if you haven't started yet, or if you are thinking to start it, or if you maybe ongoing for some of you. 5 to 7 exclusively for the mains answer writing. You have already done GS2, GS3 and GS4 है ना. GS1 is ongoing, so exclusively for the mains answer writing. From that, PYQ may be 10 questions, 10 maybe 2 you have to write on your own hand, 8 you have to scribble, then you have to read the model answers. Then 8 to 11 optional mein, if you have done the optional, 2 hours for the revision, 1 hour for the PYQs. If you have done the revision also, then for 3 hours do the optional answer writing, maybe PYQ, maybe whatever you want to write. Okay, so these are the some broad agendas कि हमें क्या क्या करना है in whatever areas what we have to do. Then PYQ sessions का date I have announced, a particular calendar schedule. You can check the PRP का schedule, there you will get the PYQs का what I can say the dates, but I will send you the complete dates in a single schedule list है ना in your Telegram channels, offline for those who are part of Brahmastra and PRP, or maybe only PRP also. ठीक है. So these sessions will be conducted offline for the PRP students and online for the Brahmastra students. Live plus PDF I will give you for the questions. Thank you. If you have any doubt, whatever it is, please drop that in the comment section. I will be more than happy to address it. See you soon. Thank you.